Oh my God, y'all. I'm in the tiniest car I have ever been in. I mean, I am shoehorned in here. And this is really a unique and unusually hard to find car. But it has been driven and used and should have been put up. This is a 2007 Saturn Sky Redline. I mean, look how much windshield I got. It's like a gun slit. I mean, no view. I mean, and I am wedged in here. I mean, if you were to have a small traffic accident, you would perish. 91,685 miles. Man, I like those bulges on the fender. I mean, to say this is a sporty car is the understatement of the year. Ugh. And it's too small for my ass. Man. I've seen these things on Bring a Trailer, Cars and Bids, and there's low mileage example ones out there that bring pretty good money, but good Lord, I don't know if I could have one of these, y'all. Maybe they handle great. I don't know. Ooh, but it is got a coarse, rough sounding engine. Got some structural vibration for not having a real roof, just having a convertible top. Let's see what she'll do here. Holy shit, she'll go. I had to let off. I was spinning out. Okay, talk to me, people. What's in a Redline? Holy cow, that thing's got some power. I had to let off. I was just spinning the tires. Is a Redline turbocharged or supercharged? I don't know. I ain't got time to futz with the hood. I gotta leave. We can't look under the hood. She's quick. I mean, tiny ass windows. We're gonna do one more trip. Gotta hear it with the windows down. It's got cold air. A little vibrating. Oh yeah, this thing is boosted. Holy cow. That is quick. Man. Yeah, it's boosted somehow because it has like a light switch that comes on and it is right now power. Maybe that's what the Redline does for it. Woo. That is awesome. But God, I don't fit in this thing, man. Not made for 6'3", 260, man. Hell no. This would get so uncomfortable so fast. Ugh. I don't even know if it'd be good enough for a Sunday driver. It's just so uncomfortable. Anyway, 2007 Saturn Sky Redline. Let's do here, I'll pull up here. We'll do a little walk around. What the hell am I thinking? I forgot the walk around. Let's pull right here. Let's do the walk around. It's a cool color, but I mean, it is well used. I mean, we got a taped up door handle. We got a bunch of crap on the leather seat there. Check that out. It's like a clay gray or something. I know it's probably coming off as blue. Well, I guess it is a blue. It's like a dull powdery blue, gray blue. And it's not bad, but I mean, you know, you just got some, you know, got a dent there you'd have to get fixed, and a dent here you'd have to get fixed. Looks like it needs a top, or at least, I don't know, you might could stitch some of this up to get that mildew off. It's got Michelin's on it though, so whoever owned it maintained it pretty well. They just used it, they just drove it. They didn't put it away like most people do. Most people buy these and put them up. This one they didn't put up. They daily this one. So don't pay 15 or 20,000 for one on the bringing trailers. I bet you this thing could be bought for $5,500, $6,000, somewhere there, if that much, tomorrow. And I mean, it's clean, cold air, good, you know, good working windows and transmission, and damn, got power for days and doesn't smoke. I did check that, wasn't blowing no smoke. I drove a little Ford Focus earlier, and damn, that thing smoked like a storm. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.